Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about triplet poem. So what is a triplet poem? This poem has only 3 lines. It is a 3-line poem. And this poem follows a basic rhyme pattern. And one more thing to remember in triplet poem is that each of this line must also have the same amount of syllables. So they rhyme and each line has the same number of syllables. And I'm going to show you a couple of examples to explain this further. Now, my first example here is entitled Sports. So we have sports are active, fun games I like. That is 8 syllables. Basketball, football, or a hike, 8 syllables. Maybe I will go ride my bike. All of those lines follow 8 syllables. Now, what do you notice? At the end of each line, they rhyme. Like, hike, and bike. So again, 3 lines. They follow a basic rhyme pattern and they have the same amount of syllable. Now, I'm going to show you an example of a planning sheet. So in your planning sheet, this is what it looks like. So first thing that we should do is brainstorm. So what I did here is I brainstorm. I kind of like wrote 3 different possible topics that I can write about. The first one is summer. And then I was thinking of maybe I can talk about flowers, or maybe I can talk about my friend. Now, after the brainstorming, I started with my first sentence. So I came up with summer. I ended up deciding that I'm going to talk about summer. So summer, a season I love so dearly. So if we count the syllables, summer, a season I love so dearly. I have 10 syllables in there. So I'm going to write that there for my number of syllables. And then I'm not done with my poem. I have to brainstorm on words that will rhyme with dearly. So I thought of these 3, lovely, lonely, only, and I have many more, like happily or gladly. Now I'm ready to write my second sentence. So in my second sentence, this is what I kind of thought. With a lot of things to do, I won't be lonely. With lots of things to do, I won't be lonely. Uh-oh, I had 11 syllables in here. So what should I do? I have to cut it down. I have to trim it and make it into 10. So I decided that I'm going to take out the word with. And it doesn't change the meaning of my sentence. Lots of things to do, I won't be lonely. Lots of things to do, I won't be lonely. Now that is 10 syllables. Now, time for me to take a look at the last one. Swim, play, and watch flowers that bloom. They're lovely. Uh-oh, it's 11 syllables again. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to think of how should I put this into 10 syllables? Can I take out one word that doesn't change my sentence? Maybe I can do that. Okay, so here I decided that I'm going to take that word that. I'm going to try if it doesn't change the meaning of my sentence. Swim, play, and watch flowers bloom. They're lovely. Okay, I think that would work. Now it is 10 syllables. Okay, and I'm going to write that down and on my final paper. That is this one. Summer. Summer, a season I love so dearly. Lots of things to do. I won't be lonely. Swim, play, and watch flowers bloom. Oh, lovely. And then when I'm done with that, I can draw on this box below. Okay, so that's all for today, boys and girls. And I hope that you'll have fun making your triplet poem.